minimum value for y, where y is, find the minimum value for y, where y is 6x square minus 18x plus 21 divided by 6x square minus 18x plus 17. 6x square minus 18x plus 21 divided by 6x square minus 18x plus 17. See here, it's a rational function. It is of the form a by b. Now see here, most of the students will cross multiply like that one. If nothing is mentioned, x will be real. If nothing is mentioned, x will be real. See here, how am I going to solve the question? Can I write this equation as 1 plus 4 by 6x square minus 18x plus 17? Am I right? 21 can be written as 17 plus 4. 1 plus 4 by 6x square minus 18x plus 17. What is that he is asking? This y should be minimum. That is the question, right? If y is minimum, this is constant, this is constant. What should be 6x square minus 18x plus 17? This should be maximum. Yes or no? No. When a quadratic expression will have maximum value means the graph should go upwards. So A is 6. 6 is greater than 0. When an expression is greater than 0, b square minus 2ac. Right? So d is less than 0. A greater than 0, d less than 0 means graph will be like this, right? The graph is going upwards. If it is going upwards, can you determine the maximum value, unique maximum? No. But you can determine the unique minimum. The graph is going upwards. What will be maximum value? It is going upwards. It will shoot up to infinite. So answer will be, y minimum will be 1 plus 4 by infinite. 1 by infinite tends to 0. 0 plus 1, 1. Y minimum is 1. A beautiful problem. For y to be minimum, 6x square minus 18x plus 17 should be maximum. An expression is maximum when a is greater than 0 and d is less than 0. A is greater than 0 and d is less than 0. Idea clear? Third question. Clear, right? Next. Please write another 3 questions. First question.
Sir, we have to always consider maximum values.
Because he is asking minimum value and this expression is in denominator, if this is minimum, this will become maximum. If this is maximum, this will become minimum. Next. Find the range of m. Next question. Range of m such that, find the range of m such that mx square plus 3x plus 4 divided by x square plus 2x plus 2 is less than 5. Range of m. Find the range of m such that mx square plus 3x plus 4 divided by x square plus 2x plus 2 is less than 5. Now, listen carefully. This first thing is a by b is less than 0. There are 2 cases. A is greater than 0, B is less than 0. A is greater than 0, B is greater than less than. A is less than 0, B is greater than 0. So, when a fraction is less than 0, does not mean that the numerator is less than 0. Numerator positive, denominator negative. Numerator negative, denominator positive. So, first of all, cross multiplication is not allowed when a fraction is less than 0. Please write down that point. Do not do any cross multiplication. Do not do any cross multiplication. Do not do any cross multiplication. A by B less than 0 means A greater than 0, B less than 0, or A less than 0, B greater than 0. Don't do a cross multiplication. Now see here, it's a beautiful problem. Mx square plus 3x plus 4 divided by x square plus 2x plus 2 minus 5 less than 0. So denominator will be x square plus 2x plus 2, mx square plus 3x plus 4 minus 5x square, m minus 5 into x square. 3x minus 10x is minus 7x. 4 minus 10 is minus 6. Less than 0. Less than 0. Now see here. Let me take the denominator and see the behavior. Denominator. What is coefficient of x square? 1. Coefficient of x square is 1, which is greater than 0. What is the discriminant? Discriminant will be b square minus 4ac. d less than 0. A greater than 0, D less than 0. You remember we discussed, if D is less than 0, A greater than 0, expression will be greater than 0. So that means, because of the behavior of this A and D, x square plus 2x plus 2 is always greater than 0. That means, denominator is greater than 0. If the denominator is greater than 0, what will be the numerator? Less than 0. M minus 5 into x square minus 7x minus 6 is less than 0. When an expression will be less than 0? When an expression ax square plus bx plus c, when it will be less than 0? Only if a is less than 0 and b is less than 0. So, m minus 5 is less than 0, m is less than 5 and d less than 0. D means b square minus 4ac less than 0. 49 plus 24m minus 120 less than 0. 24m minus 71 less than 0. M less than 71 by 24. 71 by 24 is close to 72 by 24, which is 3. Any value less than 3 is also less than 5. So answer is the intersection of these both, m less than 71 by 24. Right? A very, very good question where the property of the behavior of the graph is used twice. First to check whether this is positive or negative. This is positive because a is greater than 0, d is less than 0. This is a negative when a is less than 0, d is less than 0. Please write down. Find the range of x. Find the range of x for which x square minus 4x plus 3 by x square plus x plus 1 is less than 0. Find the range of x for which x square minus 4x plus 3 by x square plus x plus 1 less than 0. Already we discussed rational function. How to do a rational function? First let us see the nature of the denominator. X square plus x plus 1. A is 1 greater than 0. D is b square minus 4ac minus 3 less than 0. A greater than 0, D less than 0. That means x square plus x plus 1 will be greater than 0. If denominator is greater than 0 and a fraction is less than 0, that means numerator will be less than 0. X square minus 4x plus 3 less than 0. X minus 1 into x minus 3 less than 0. 1 less than x less than 3. How you got this one? What are the critical points of x? 1 and 3. Take anything less than 1. 0. 0 minus 1 minus 3. 3. 3 is less than 0. Is 3 less than 0? Cross mark, tick, cross. Alternatively, cross and tick. Answer is 1 less than x less than 3. I hope you got an idea. Because a is greater than 0, d is less than 0.
Denominator is greater than 0, then numerator will be less than 0.
That's what I did. Okay. Numerator is less than 0. Got the idea, right? Two more questions. Answer for this question is 1 less than x less than 0. X square plus if x square plus a square plus 2 into x plus a square minus 5a plus 5 equivalent to 1 has opposite sign roots. Find the range of x. If x square plus a square plus 2 into x plus a square minus 5a plus 5 equivalent to 1 has opposite sign roots. Now, first thing that should strike you immediately when it is opposite sign roots is product of the roots is c by a. Opposite sign. This is negative. This is positive. This will be negative. C is less than 0. If c is less than 0 means x square plus a square plus 2 into x, a square minus 5a plus 4 equivalent to 0. Manya will come. C less than 0 means a square minus 5a plus 4 less than 0. A minus 1, a minus 4 less than 0. Less than means it lies between the points. Understood the idea, right? Opposite roots are not 0.
Sorry, opposite signs. Then we can't take b is equal to 0.
Opposite sign roots are different, roots are same, but opposite in sign is different. 2 minus 2. They are same but opposite in sign. Opposite sign roots means one could be 3, another could be minus 4 also. Next, another one. The entire graph of the equation.
We can use even some of the roots to find out this.
How will you use? When I say opposite sign, alpha and beta are only opposite in sign. Do we know the values?
Okay. So it can be
2 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 2 minus 3. We are not able to determine the nature of alpha plus beta. I think this we did it in one of the problems in the second graph. Next. The entire graph of the equation, y is x square plus kx minus x plus 9 lies above x axis. Find the range of k. Find the range of k. Now, when I say lie above x-axis, just imagine lies above x-axis means either first quadrant or second quadrant. First quadrant x is positive, y is positive. Second quadrant x is negative, y is positive. That means y is always positive. That means ax square plus bx plus c is greater than 0 only if a is greater than 0 and d is less than 0. So use the same concept. X square plus k minus 1 into x plus 9. This will be greater than 0 only if a is 1 greater than 0, d should be less than 0. K minus 1 whole square minus 36 less than 0. Minus 6 whole square less than 0. A plus b into a minus b less than 0. K plus 5 into k minus 7 less than 0. So answer will be minus 5 less than k less than 7. I hope clear understanding of graphs you got from all these problems. Minus 5 less than k less than 7. I hope it is clear, right? Next. Type 2. Please write down. Type 2. Problems based on irrational equations. Type 2. Problems based on irrational equations. Problems based on irrational equations. Irrational equations. First one. First question. 3 questions we will solve. Square root of 2x plus 7 plus square root of x plus 4 equivalent to 0. Second one. 17 root x plus 8 root of minus x plus 45 by x cube equivalent to 86. Third one. Root of x plus 1 minus root of x minus 1 equivalent to square root of 4x minus 1. We'll solve these three questions. Square root of 2x plus 1 plus square root of x plus 4 is 0. 17 root x plus 8 root of minus x plus 45 by x cube is 86. Root x plus 1 minus of root x minus 1 is square root of 4x minus 1. Listen carefully. Second one, there will be no value because if x is positive, x could take any three cases: positive, negative, 0. If x is positive, what is under root of minus into positive? Negative. This will become negative. If x is negative, this will become negative. If x is 0, denominator will be 0. Square root cannot have negative value inside. Denominator cannot have 0 value. So answer is no value of x. Answer is no value of x will satisfy. No value of x satisfies. No value of x satisfies. Next. First one. Square root of 2x plus 7 plus square root of x plus 4. See, there is a very important note. Square root of 4 is 2. But plus or minus 2 whole square is 4. Please write down point. Square root always returns positive value as the output. Please write down that point. Square root function always gives. Square root function always gives positive value as the output. Square root function always gives positive value as the output. Now, see here, this is giving positive value, this is giving positive value. What is positive plus positive? Positive. Can it be equal to 0? No. Answer is no value of x. No value of x. No value of x. Third one. Third one, please put a star mark. It's a very good question. Third one. Square root of x plus 1 minus square root of x minus 1 is square root of 4x minus 1. If I square both the left hand side and right hand side, if I square on both the sides, x plus 1 plus x minus 1 minus 2 root of x square minus 1 is 4x minus 1 minus 2 into root of x square minus 1 is 2x minus 1. Squaring on both sides, 4 into x square minus 1 is 4x square minus 4x plus 1. 4x square cancel. Minus 4 equivalent to minus 4x plus 1. Minus 5 equivalent to minus 4x. X will be 5 by 4. X will be 5 by 4. You will tick mark answer as x is 5 by 4. So how many values? 1. But it is incorrect. If you substitute square root of 5 by 4 plus 1 minus square root of 5 by 4 minus 1. This is 9 by 4. This is 1 by 4. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. It is 1. It is equivalent to square root of 4 into 5 by 4 minus 1. 4. It is 2. Is 1 equivalent to 2? No. Even though you got the answer, it is not satisfying the equation. So answer is no value of x. Answer is no value of x. No value of x. Five questions we'll solve. Problems based on fundamentals. First question. if 3 plus root 2, first one, if 3 plus root 2 is one root of the quadratic equation, if 3 plus root 2 is one root of the quadratic equation, find the quadratic equation. If 3 plus root 2 is one root of the quadratic equation, find the quadratic equation. First one, we will solve 5 questions, find the quadratic equation. Second one, if f of x is a quadratic polynomial, if f of x is a quadratic polynomial such that f of 1 plus f of 2 is 0, minus 1 is a root of f of x, find the other root. Find the other root. Third one, the integral value of a, for which x minus a into x minus 10 plus 1 equivalent to 0 has integral roots. X minus a into x minus 49 plus 1 equivalent to 0 has integral roots. If x1, x2, x3, x4 are the roots for 3x power 4 plus 2x cube plus 7x square plus x plus 2 equivalent to 0. Find 1 minus x1, 1 minus x2, 1 minus x3, 1 minus x4. Next one, AB belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4. Ax square plus bx plus 1 equivalent to 0. This equation has real roots. How many values AB can take? How many values AB can take? Five minutes, just try to solve. Then I'll discuss. 5 minutes, just try to solve. Generally, first question. If 3 plus root 2 is one root of the quadratic equation, find the quadratic equation. Most of the students will think that if one root is 3 plus root 2, another root will be 3 minus root 2. Please go back and see the theory. If one root is p plus root q, another root will be p minus root q, only when the coefficients are rational. Did I specify anything about the coefficients? No. So answer is cannot be determined uniquely. Please write down. Cannot, please put a star mark in the first question. Cannot be determined uniquely. Cannot be determined uniquely. If one root is 3 plus root 2, another root could be 3 minus root 2 or minus 3 plus root 2. So you cannot say that this is the only equation that is possible. First one. Clear, right? Second question. See the second question. If f of x is a quadratic polynomial, quadratic polynomial means polynomial of degree 2, such that f of 1 plus f of 2 is 0, minus 1 is a root of f of x. So f of x will become, if minus 1 is a root, can I say that x plus 1 will be a factor? Are you all with me? F of x is a quadratic. Quadratic is of degree 2. This is linear. Linear into linear only if I multiply, I will get a degree 2. So f of 1 plus f of 2 is 0. f of 1 plus f of 2 is 0. 2 into a plus b, 2 will become 3 into 2a plus b equivalent to 0. 8a plus 5b equivalent to 0. 8a equivalent to minus 5b. Minus b by a equivalent to 8 by 5. One root is x plus 1, so minus 1 will be there. What will be the other root? Ax plus b 0, x will become minus b by a. That means to satisfy this condition, if minus 1 is one root, what will be the other root? 8 by 5. Second. Substituted ma, x is 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 into a plus b. X is 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 into 2a plus b. Next, third one. Third question, fourth question, please put a star mark. These are very, very good questions. Third one. If you see the third one, shall I erase it? Third one, listen carefully. A I will solve, B you need to solve. The integral value of A for which the equation has integral roots. X minus A into x plus 10 plus 1 equivalent to 0. So this will become x minus A into x plus 10 equivalent to minus 1. Listen carefully. Integral value of A is an integer. Has integral roots. A is an integer, x is an integer. Integer plus integer. Minus 1 is a product of two integers. 1 into minus 1 into 1. So x minus a is 1. X plus 10 is minus 1. X will become minus 11. If x is minus 11 minus a is 1. Minus 12 is a. A will become minus 12. First case. What is the next case? X minus a is minus 1. X plus 10 is 1. Please write. X minus a 1, x plus 10 minus 1. X minus a minus 1, x plus 10. Substitute, you will get the answer. Same like that, try to solve the B bit. Idea clear, right? A and B are similar. All are integral values. So minus 1 can be written as 1 into minus 1. And next it is written as minus 1 into 1. Minus 1 into 1. x1, x2, x3, x4 are roots. So this will become 3x power 4 plus 2x cube. Already we discussed. If the degree is 2, a into x minus alpha, x minus beta. 3 are there, x minus x1, x2, x3. If 4 are there, this will be 7x square plus x plus 2. So this will be 3 into x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3, x minus x4. What we have to substitute? Substitute x equivalent to 1. 5, 12, 13, 15. 15 equivalent to 3 into 1 minus x1, 1 minus x2, 1 minus x3, 1 minus x4. Answer is 5. Clear? Wherever x is there, substitute 1. 1 minus x1, 1 minus x2, 1 minus x3, 1 minus x4. Answer is 5. Next. Fifth question also see here. AB belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4. Ax square plus bx plus 1 has real roots. Ax square plus bx plus 1, if this equation has real roots. Real roots means condition is b square minus 4a greater than or equivalent to 0. AB belongs to which value? 1, 2, 3, 4. AB belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4. If B takes 4, what is 4 square? 16. 16 minus 4a. Can I say that 4a can, a value can be 1, 2, 3, 4? 16 minus 4, 16 minus 8, 16 minus 12, 16. 4 values it will take. B is 3. What is 3 square? 9. 9 means A value will be 1, 2. These two. B is 2. A value will be 1. 4 plus 2 plus 1. Total how many values? 7. Answer is 7. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. Right? Please go through these 5 problems.